Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and I was sitting about to have dinner in my house and I realized it is going to be such a beautiful sunset. So I figured let's go ahead and put the drone or the Seagull in the sky to give you a bird's point of view of how beautiful the sunset truly is down here. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can do videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, we got about 15 minutes until sunset, so let's get the Seagull in the sky. This video is sponsored by Cluster's handcrafted popcorn of Wildwood. Fresh gourmet popcorn made daily in mouth-watering flavors like white cheddar, toasted coconut, and garlic parmesan. Visit Clusters on the Wildwood Boardwalk between Wildwood and Oak Avenue, or at clusterspopcornwildwood.com for a delightful Clusters experience. I gotta admit, that's a beautiful sunset. Not the best I've ever seen, but every single sunset, if you get to enjoy it, is the best sunset. Anyway, I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And yes, I'm biking with no hands. Well, for a second there. So I'm gonna go, but thank you for joining me. As always, I'll see you on the beach, which is right behind me. I'll see you later. Bye.